Hey guys, welcome back. We got another Donruss Elite Blaster here. Let's see if we can't go goat-bound hunting. Normal for these boxes for us. See if we can rip a Joey B. Oh man, camera's just all over the place. New setups, the game set. See what we can't find here. Geno Smith on the aspirations. 55 out of 299. Go. Then we got the base Devontae Adams, Nick Bosa, Garrett Wilson, we got Spellbound going Jefferson. See if he ends up staying up there at the Vikings. Get nip and tuck. We got the explosion status. DJ Turner, 541 out of 625. Always reminds me of Kaboom. I'm sure I've said that before. Just reminds me of the Kaboom, the way it pops. Travis Etienne, Joe Mixon. Kelsey on the green. And CeeDee Lamb on the base. Dexter Lawrence on the base. And TJ Watt. KP on the back. Oh! Another star status. Patty Mahomes. Got a couple of these now. I think that makes number 3. Jalen Waddle on the base. St. Brown. And Kenny P. Kenny Pickett. What? Another Justin Jefferson. Going with the F this time. Going with the F. DJ Johnson on the rookie green. Right over there. There we go. Got Daniel Jones. Najee Harris on the base. Alright, last pack. Come on. We already spit out 2 Spellbounds, so it's not looking too good for us. I'm nabbing a GOATBOUND, but you never know with these, right? Full Throttle. Kenneth Walker. Fred Warner on the base. Tony Pollard, who is now a Titan. Joey B. Oop. Mike Evans, who is still a Buck. Re-signed with the Bucks, I believe. So did Mayfield, sorry. Alright, well that does it for that box. Unfortunately, no. Oh, come on. Can't get it there. There we go. I'm trying to get it so it's a little better for you guys to view. But that does it for that box. No GOATBOUND, but it is what it is. On to the next. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.